It's made for the fence industry, but it has the advantages of showing a sales pipeline and a job pipeline, to track the efficiency, to track conversion rates, and to keep all of my documents for that job in one place.
It is freeing, and it automates your system. Your employees become more effective. They produce more, they're happier, they're not always hunting the file or who talked to them. And I would encourage everyone in the fence business, we dominantly all do the same thing.
I'm Corin Clark. I am the General Manager of AAA Fence Company of Charleston.
Yes, my name is Donna Sparks. I own Hardwick Fence in St. Augustine, Florida.
It initially started with the volume of data. We were kind of a paper, pencil, it's always worked well kind of industry or kind of company. I was looking for something where I could take that data and get it out of the heads of the people who have done it for 30 plus years, and make it easier for somebody to say, okay, I'm going to draw the site plan. It's going to tell me what are the basic components that I need. I can make an intelligent estimate quickly, and I can send out something that looks professional to my customers within, a smaller amount of time.
That goes back many years. We have been with CFS for years and years, and in the scope of it, trying to figure out and implement and get past the small screen. We were so thrilled to hear about Fence Cloud. We wanted to be the first ones on board. We've had it, I'm going to say the beginning of last year, and we're implementing it into our utilization, but scared to let go of the paper. I'm going to go ahead and encourage everybody, it's okay. You let go of the paper. We did in October, and it has been freedom. The columns that are there, I can't tell you how utilizing that is. Anybody that has any business at all, they're familiar with spreadsheets. And it is that user-friendly application that we all needed, and you still got columns. And in those columns, I allocated certain people to them when we began, and they felt like they didn't have 14 things to do, but just a couple of columns to oversee, and things began to move more efficiently and effective. And it has streamlined our day-to-day that we are actually doing, I would say, double the amount of work that we used to do in a day's time.
I can now take a call from a customer. I can open the lead, assign it to an estimator, schedule a contact, get the estimate, or I can sometimes, if it's a simple job, I could do the estimate right then, have it out in 5 minutes, and move on to the next job. Whereas in the old way of doing things, it was much more cumbersome. I can also take complex jobs and price out all the pieces separately but under one group, have all the documents in there. So it's just organized everything better. I don't have to use a bunch of different platforms to do one thing. It all kind of comes together to make one good product.
And would you recommend Fence Cloud to other fencing companies?
Absolutely, 100%.
Absolutely. It wouldn't be anywhere else. You guys are the front runners. Go Fence Cloud.